Welcome to my class introduction. Class standard 10, subject mathematics, chapter name simple simultaneous equations in two variables. Exercise 12.2, lecture 2. Today's lesson: to solve the problems of simple simultaneous equations. Today I will discuss about cross multiplication method. We consider the following two equations: a1x plus b1y plus c1 this equal to 0. This is equation number 1. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Multiplying equation 1 by b and equation 2 by b1. Here b2, here b1. We get a1 b2 plus b1 b2 into y plus b2 c1 this equal to 0. That means 0 into b2 this equal to 0, and here a2 b1 into x plus b1 b2 into y plus b1 c2 this equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Here is used by elimination method. That means we have to vanish either x or y. At first here will vanish y, so we have to make the coefficient of y will be same, as here is b1 and here is b2, so we had multiplied 1 by b2 and 2 by b1. As a result, this part will be same. Clear? Now subtracting 4 from 3. As a result, we'll get here a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and x is common. This cut, here will be b2 c1 minus b1 c2. This equal to 0. Okay, this part keep into left side and this convert into right side. So this part, that's mean b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Okay, therefore x divided by this part, that's mean b1 c2 minus b2 c1, and 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, that's mean this convert into left side and this convert into right side, as here is 1 into this and here is x into this. So x by this part and 1 by this part. This is equation number 5. And right side, you have to remember, here is 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So value of x this equal to this. Also we have to find the value of y. As a result, we have to multiply 1 by a2 and 2 by a1. Okay, now follow. Here will be a1 a2 into x plus a2 b1 into y plus c1 a2 this equal to 0. This is equation number 6. And here will be a1 a2 into x plus a1 b2 into y plus c2 a1 this equal to 0. This is equation number 7. Now subtracting 7 from 6, we'll get here x part, and this x part will cut. Here will be a2 b1 minus a1 b2 into y is common, and here is plus c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Now this convert into right side. As a result, here will be minus c1 a2 minus c2 a1. Okay, and multiplying minus we'll get here at first C2 A1, or we can cut minus minus in both side. As a result, left side will be this into y and right side will be C1A2 minus C2 A1. As a result, here will be y divided by this part and here will be 1 divided by this part, as minus minus cut, and here also 1 into this, and 1 into this is a form of multiplication. So this, when we'll convert this into left side, that will be divide, and here this into y. So when we will convert this into right side, that will be divide. Okay, so from equation 5 and 8, right side will be same. So x divided by b1 c2, here b1 c2 minus b2 c1, and this equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, this equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, from such relation between x and y, the technique of finding their values is called the method of cross multiplication. From the above relation between x and y, we can write, or we get x divided by this equal to this. Therefore, x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Again, y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, this equal to 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, or y this equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Therefore, the solution of the given equations xy this equal to this and this. This is the required solution. Okay. We also follow more technique for finding solution. That's mean value of x and y by the cross multiplication method. Here given two equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 this equal to 0, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 this also equal to 0. We have got x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, this equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1, this equal to, we can write 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. But how we get this? Follow here. When we'll take x, we have to omit this part, a1 x a2 x, that's mean b1 c2 minus b2 c1, that's mean multiplying of constant term and the coefficient of y, here also same. That's mean at first we have to take this, then minus, then this. Okay, and when we'll take y, we have to take at first from here to here, and then minus here to here. We have to omit this part. That's mean a2 c1, and c1 a2 same, minus c2 a1. But when we take this part, we have to take from above to below, then below to above. But when we take this part, at first we have to take from below to above, then above to below. Clear? And when we take constant term, that's mean 1, we have to omit this part, and we have to take at first a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Okay, this is a technique. Another examples or illustration, that is, we have to take coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and constant term, also coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and constant term. Again, we have to take more two coefficient of x and y. That's mean we have to take again this part. That's mean a1, a2, b1, b2. Okay, and we have to take this part out of the line, and we have to take here x, here y, and here 1. As a result, b1 c2, b1 c2, that's mean this, b2 c1, that's mean this. Clear? That's mean when we take this x, we have to take this part, and when we will take y, we have to take this part, and when we will take 1, that's mean constant, we have to take this part. Okay, but only for y you have to take from below to above at first, then above to below. Okay, so for this part we can write y, for this example we can take both x and y and constant. At first we have to start from here to here, here to here, and here to here, no problem. Here to here, here to here, and here to here, then here to here, here to here, here to here. That's mean for x we can write b1 c2, b2 minus b2 c1. For y, c1 a2 minus c2 a1, and for constant a1 b2 minus a2 b1, no problem. Okay, you can use this method. Okay, now follow an example given to equation. At first we have to take constant term into left side, both equations. Okay, now follow the solution. We have to convert constant term into left side, here also constant term into left side. Now by the method of cross multiplication we get x by b1 c2. b1 c2 mean here b1 mean minus 1 and c2 mean minus 13. So b1 c2, that's mean minus 1 into minus 13, formula minus, and b2 mean this, into c1 mean minus 1, that's mean 2 into minus 1, and y is equal to we can write minus 1, that means c1 into a2, that's mean minus 1 into 3 minus 13 into 6, that means c2 a1, and when we will take 1, that's mean constant term, we have to omit this part, and we can take 6 into 2, that's mean a1 b2 minus a2 b1, that's mean 3 into minus 1. Okay, you can apply this formula, and comparing this with this will get a1 equal to 6, b1 equal to minus 1, c1 equal to minus 1, a2 equal to 3, b2 equal to 2, c1 c2 this equal to minus 13. That's mean a1 mean 6, a2 mean minus 1, b1 mean minus 1, and c1 mean minus 1. Here a2 mean 3, b2 mean 2, and c2 mean minus 13. Clear? Now calculate, will get here x by 13 plus 2, y divided by minus 3 plus 78 equal to 1 divided by 12 plus 3, and here will be x by 15, y by 75, and 1 by 15. Therefore x by 15 equal to 1 divided by 15, or x equal to 15 by 15, this equal to 1. Again y by 75, this equal to 1 by 15, or y equal to 75 by 15, this equal to 5. Therefore the required solution x y is equal to 1, 5. Or we can apply this method, no problem. Here 1 into minus 1 into minus 13 mean 13, minus formula, minus and minus of formula, all into minus 2. So here will be plus 2. Then y divided by minus 3 minus 65, and formula minus, that will be plus 78, and here will be 1 divided by 12 plus 3. Okay, and calculate, we will get x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5. This is the required solution. Okay, you can apply this method or previous method, no problem. Clear everyone? Another example, given two equation this and this. At first we have to solve this part. As a result, here will be 3x plus 2y minus 48, this equal to 0, and here will be 5x minus 12y plus 12, this equal to 0. Now take this and this, will get these two equation, and by the method of cross multiplication you can use this method or you can use direct. That's mean at first you have to multiply this into this. That's mean 2 into 12 minus, and here minus 12 into minus 48. Here y divided by, at first you have to take 5 into minus 48 or minus 48 into 5, same, no problem. This, then 12 into 3, and here the minus of formula equal to constant term divided by 3 into minus 12 minus 5 into 2. Now calculate, we'll get x divided by minus 552, y divided by minus 276, and here 1 divided by minus 46. And finally, we'll get x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 6. Therefore, the required solution x y is equal to 12, 6. Okay, and verification, left hand side is given this. When we'll put x is equal to 12 and y is equal to 6, we'll get here 12 by 2 and 6 by 3 is equal to 8. This is the right hand side. And second equation, left hand side, 5x minus 5x divided by 4 minus 3y, this equal to 5 into 12 by 4 minus 3 into 6, this equal to minus 3. And right side here minus 3. So left hand side and right hand side are equal. So the solution is correct. This is a verification. Okay, if need you have to verify. Otherwise no need. Clear everyone? Okay. Now assessment. Solve the method of cross multiplication 7 up to 15. All are same process, just you have to give time. Okay, every day you will solve 1 or 2 math. As a result, within 7 days you will complete your exercise. That's mean exercise 12.2 left, all that will be homeworks with examples. Okay, and submit the group in the copy. Date of submission 14/3/2021, time 10:30 a.m. So today up to this, thank you to all everyone.